Hello, NordTube listener. Today we are going to talk about Gambella. Today marked the second month for Gambella people not to travel outside of Gambella. Last 2 months, there has been constant conflicts between the Nuer and Anuak. So Anuak been attacking Nuer constantly, and the government decided to ban the movement of cars. There's no transportation, and this is what happened. Today, still people are trying to get out of Gambella, but they can't move because Gambella government is not providing enough security for the people. So people fear to use bus, to go to Nuer zone or Nuer districts, especially the people that are suffering. They are not Anuak because the Anuak, their area is served. If you've been in Gambella, Abobo going to that direction to the Gambella airport, so nobody can attack anyone there. The problem is this side where they pass the Anuak side. Whenever they try to pass that side, there are people who are on the bush who can attack them. So this brought the fear from the Gambella government that cannot provide enough security for the people who are Nuer. So now the question is, what is the solution if the government fail to provide enough security to the people of Gambella, to be specific, Nuer? So what is the solution then? So everybody's still wondering. The youth are still wondering. Nobody giving any clear information relating to this issue. People are still, keeping quiet, and the situation, becomes so serious because there are people who want to go see their family back home, and there are also people from there who want to come to Gambella town. Gambella is one of the states in Ethiopia among the other states, and it consists of 5 tribes. The majority are Nuer, followed by Anuak, and then the third tribe is Majang, and we have Komo and Opo. These are minority. The majority are not the one leading the state. The minority does. Anuak are the one leading Gambella, and still they cannot provide enough security for the all people living there. And we also have islanders in Gambella. So that makes it so hard for Nuer to make any kind of decision since the Anuak are the one leading in Gambella. So what do you think should be the solution if the current president cannot even provide enough security for the people living in Gambella? Because for almost a year or 2 year or 3 year even, there had never been a day without Anuak attacking Nuer in Gambella. And yet still the federal government in Ethiopia, they are not saying anything. So these are the kind of problem that we are going through. There's no report that reach federal government in Addis Ababa. So people in Gambella are really suffering. So if you understand what I'm saying, so we are really in a dire situation. We really need help. We really need the federal government, to take action in Gambella because there's no solution to all of this thing. Imagine 2 months no transportation. What do you think the people will eat? And these people, they do not have job. They do not have salary in Gambella. Most of them, they are farmers. They are villagers. So they got their food in the village. And again, in Gambella also, there are refugees. These refugees also stuck in Gambella. Nobody's providing them enough security. I think you heard it many times. They've been attacking them in different camps. Jiwa camp and also Ngoyel camp and Pinyudu. This camp, they are situated in Anuak areas. They are near Anuak areas, so it is very easy for Anuak terrorists to access them and kill them because it's been happening all the time. But none of the federal government never took any action, and we don't know whether they always got the report concerning all these issues the refugees are facing or not. And these refugees that are being attacked on a daily basis, they are from Nuer, and they are not even Ethiopian; they are South Sudanese. But we, the people who are living in Gambella, whenever we have any problem with the Anuak, community, what they do, they go and attack these refugees because they are also Nuer. So these are the kind of problem Gambella are going through right now. So the transportation in Gambella been banned for 2 months. So this is a very, very bad situation that the people of Gambella are going through. So please, I would like you to share this live video or share this video with anyone. This is what people of Gambella are going through. They do not have a representative that can present them. So if you can be able to share it with others, it will be fine. Thank you for watching.